Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to make money from YouTube. How to make money from YouTube. Search this keyword on Google Chrome or Opera Mini. Earn $3.5 per answer. Start in 20 seconds. Companies are looking for your answers. They are ready to pay. Your answers help to make product and services better, and it's fun. Wants quick payout. Work from home. Get started now. Answer on mobile. How to make money on YouTube. Join the YouTube partner program. Sell product on merchandise. Crowd fund your next creative project. Let your audience support your work through fan funding. How to make money on YouTube 2022. How many views do you need to get paid on YouTube? How do you get paid by YouTube? How many subscribers do you need on YouTube to make money? How to make money on YouTube 7 effective strategy. Hosting blog. How to make money on YouTube. How much money do you making on YouTube? Intro to making money on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube in 2022. Open this article and read complete article A to Z. How to make money on YouTube in 2022. Low key ways to get paid. There are ways other than AdSense to make money on YouTube. The growing creator economy has turned up some drivers way to make money on YouTube, and while some methods after a lower barrier to entry than entering through ads, there's no substitute for quality content and an engaged audience. If you can tap into your creative side and are willing to put in a lot of effort, you might be able to make money on YouTube. To here are a few methods to explore. How to get paid on YouTube. Research. Reach 1K subscribers and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Become an affiliate marketer. Create sponsored content through brands deals. Create and sell your own product or merchandise. Reach the 1K subscribers and apply for the YouTube. Let's get this one out of the way first. The biggest hurdle to joining the YouTube Partner Program is surprising the 1K subscriber threshold. Once you do, it opens the door to earning advertising revenue. A few additional requirements apply before you can become a partner. Your videos must abide by the site's advertising guidelines and have more than 400 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. You must live in an eligible area. You need to link Google AdSense accounts. Thanks for watching.